This is the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat, and it's equipped with the PowerBoost Hybrid engine, which is actually the first time that a hybrid engine has been fitted to a half-ton truck. We're going to take a quick walk around the outside, and then we're going to take this Lariat on the road and see how it drives. Now, this Lariat has the 502A package, meaning this is a very, very well-equipped truck. And we're going to start here with the front end, where we do have a chrome package. Ford calls it the XTR, which is again a chrome package offered for both XLT and Lariat models. We have a LED projector headlight with an LED fog light there, so nice modern design. So we do have that chrome grille, and we also have a chrome front bumper, which does have some front parking sensors. And if we come around to the side here, with this Lariat as well, we do have these 20-inch chrome wheels. It's wrapped in a 275/60 all-terrain tire. And if we kind of move along the side here, we do have the PowerBoost badge, which again, we do have the PowerBoost engine, so we do have those badges there on the side, both the driver and passenger side. We also have the chrome mirrors and also the chrome badging there. And this mirror also has the side mirror spotlight, as well as the blind spot indicator in that top corner. And moving further along the side, we do have a chrome accented running board. And this particular F-150 is a Super Crew model, so it's the full 4-door. We do have the 6.5-foot bed. And also equipped is the FX4 off-road package, indicated by that sticker right there. So that's offered on a bunch of different trim levels, and again on this Lariat model. So it includes things like a locking rear differential, there's also skid plates, hill descent control, and a bunch of other off-road goodies. Also with the Lariat, we do have the LED taillight and also the rear chrome bumper, again just to match the front, and also houses the rear parking sensors. Class 4 hitch receiver with 4 and 7-pin connectors. We also have the power tailgate option, so it does go up and down power operated. We also have the tailgate step with the work surface as well, and a nice spray and bed liner. We also have the 7.2 kilowatt Pro Power Onboard system. This is also a first for the automotive industry, basically utilizing the hybrid electric power and its electrical capability. We have over 7,000 watts of usable power here in the bed through a massive inverter system. So we have a series of outlets back here that you can use to power cooking appliances, tools, or even your house. So nice system right there. We also have LED box lighting and lots of tie-down points. And to lift the tailgate up, we can either just lift it up just a little bit and it'll carry itself the way up, or you can also use the key fob or a button inside just beside the steering wheel. Chrome accent there on the exhaust tip. This is definitely a great looking truck, but without further ado, we're going to hop into the interior, take this Lariat for a drive. Alright, setting off in the F-150 Lariat 2023, again equipped with the PowerBoost Hybrid engine. Now this is a full hybrid system, meaning it is capable of driving in full electric power alone. It uses a 35 kilowatt electric motor and a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. Now the combination of both gas and electric puts out 430 horsepower and 570 foot-pounds of torque, so it's a massively powerful engine. It's actually one of the most powerful, or the most powerful, half-ton truck, aside from, of course, your supercharged V8 Raptor Rs or maybe a TRX. So you have lots and lots of power. Tows over 12,000 pounds, and equipped with this with the Lariat trim. I mean, this is a gorgeous truck. Lots of features, lots of technology. Ford really did step up their game for the 14th generation F-150, which did start in 2021 is when they first revealed that, or the first model year, I should say, for the 14th gen. Now this PowerBoost engine, it is full hybrid, meaning it is capable of driving in full electric power alone, so you can actually drive in full electric, which is super cool, and it does definitely take some getting used to. Now when it requires more power, it will actually automatically kick on the gas engine. It's a very seamless, very smooth operation. So right now the engine actually just shut off. You can see the 0 RPM right there. And this truck does have regenerative braking. Now it does not actually slow the truck down. but it does use the kinetic energy from the brakes and does put it back into the battery. So it's a nice, of course, energy saving or energy efficiency use of technology there. And now that we're sitting here at this stoplight, of course the truck is very, very quiet. I mean, the engine's off right now, so it's completely silent. I have the radio off. I have the climate control just kind of blowing a little bit of air, but it's very, very quiet. We do have the 10-speed automatic transmission, which is now standard across the board for F-150, regardless of your engine choice. Very, very smooth transmission. Ford really did tune it perfectly for the hybrid as well. It is a different transmission because the electric motor is actually built into the transmission. They kind of sandwich it in between the transmission and the engine. So it is a different transmission from the regular 10 speeds. But again, this one being a Lariat, we do have a nice leather interior. This one also has the twin panel sunroof. So of course you have the whole open air experience here. Yeah, this truck is stupidly fast. I mean, it's 570 foot-pounds of torque. You really can feel it. It is very, very torquey, and that's just a characteristic of both turbocharged engines and electric motors. So you have lots and lots of torque, nice low-end torque on this engine, which is, again, EcoBoost, very, very torquey engines. So it's nice for towing, it's nice for getting around town. You don't have to rev out the engine a lot. Right now we're 9th gear, going 52 miles an hour, 85 kilometers an hour, and it's 1300 RPM, so it's very, very low RPM. Just cruising. Now we're in 10th gear here, so it's, again, very, very quiet, very smooth operation. Of course, you have the passing power, no problem at all. Now this Lariat also has a couple options. We have the power tailgate, which I showed briefly before. We have the 360 camera, which I won't be able to turn on right now. Oh, you can actually. So we have the rear camera popped up right there, and then there's also the sunroof. That's an option as well. FX4 off-road package is another thing. So there's a kind of just a bunch of stuff you can tack onto these Lariats, just to kind of make them your own. We have the 8-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is a phenomenal sound system. Ford really, really did a great job. And this is actually the mid-grade sound system. There's also the 18-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is a phenomenal system. I mean, it's a lot of speakers. It's very, very clear audio, lots of bass. I'm not much of an audiophile, but I can definitely tell a good audio system from a bad one. And again, Ford really did knock it out of the park with the 18-speaker system. So as I start to brake here, now the engine just shut off. So now the engine's off and you're just braking, and it's kind of using that kinetic energy to put more energy back into the battery. And even as I start to accelerate, it still keeps the engine off. There's a certain part in the throttle where you do have the gas engine kick on. Just like right there, the engine just kicked back on. And back off again. So again, very seamless. I didn't feel it at all. There's a slight judder when it kicks on, but it's, again, very, very unnoticeable. Now we have the 7.2 kilowatt Pro Power Onboard system, which is actually the upgraded inverter system. Standard is the 2.4, which comes on all PowerBoost models, but you can upgrade to the 7.2. Gives you, again, over 7,000 watts of power, which is an enormous amount of power. People have actually, I've seen videos on the internet, people power their house, or they'll charge electric cars with it, so you can really power anything with them. And it really can help save people in a pinch. If there's a power outage, or you're on a job site and you need to plug in a tool or whatever, it really does come in handy. Having that so much power available on tap is just really, really, really convenient. And also in the interior as well, so you have not only the outlets in the bed, you also have upgraded interior outlets, so 120 volt, 20 amp, which is a huge power, is more than you would see in your house almost. So you have lots and lots of power. And again, plus the ones in the bed, which includes a 240 volt, 30 amp. If you know anything about electricity, you know that's basically the biggest plug you can find in your home, which is, you know, what you would power your dryer or maybe a stove with. so you can run basically you can run a washer at the back of your F-150. And again, this is a Lariat, so it's a nice looking truck. You have the updated, or the upgraded, I should say, LED headlights. They are projector adaptive headlights, so they actually move in the direction of your steering wheel, and at night you really can't notice that, so it does look super cool. Now, turning radius, I wouldn't say is the F-150's strong suit, but it does handle it pretty well. I mean, it's a big truck, so of course you're not going to have, you know, like Ford Focus levels of steering radius or turning radius, but it is pretty good. I definitely should have taken that window sticker off the window, as I can't see anything. The truck also has auto hold, which I don't have on, but it does have auto hold, so if you take your foot off the brake, it'll actually keep the brakes applied. So if you're sitting at a stoplight for a while, or you're in stop and go traffic, it'll kind of keep the brake applied for you. You don't have to worry about keeping your foot on the brake. There's also an entire list of driver assistance features and safety features. You have pre-collision assist, you have adaptive cruise control. So because we have the 502A package, it actually includes the adaptive cruise control with lane centering, which is a nice feature to have for like highway driving or road trips, kind of that kind of thing. It'll actually keep you in the center of the lane. It is a kind of a lane assist system, so it's super cool. And again, that's standard on the most of Lariat models. This one actually has the heated and cooled seats with the heated steering wheel, which for 2023 is actually a pretty big deal. Ford did take out the heated steering wheel on a lot of trucks, just for all the constraints they have at the factory. So they did pull out heated steering wheel. This one has it, so that's cool. We're starting to see more and more have it, which is definitely nice. Things are slowly getting back to normal. And again, just the sheer quietness of this cabin. Again, the engine's off right now. I mean, I get the music off, but it's really just completely silent in here. It's unreal. And again, super quick truck. I mean, it's unbelievable the speed of this thing. Just, I guess, a characteristic of having so much power. You have, again, 570 foot-pounds of torque. This truck is heavy, but it does actually handles quite well. Look, we even have a hybrid friend in front of us. We also have the fully digital gauge cluster with the Lariat model. So Lariat and above, you get the full screen, which is nice. I mean, when you switch the drive mode, it kind of changes the animation, and you get cool little graphics every time. It's a great screen, very high resolution. Shows all of your information that you needed to. You can scroll through various different towing information. You have FX4 off-road information, you have pitch and roll. You have your four-wheel drive settings. And that is the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat with the PowerBoost engine. So I hope you kind of enjoyed these videos. We kind of do a couple one of these every so often. They're fun to make, so we definitely enjoy making them. And if you want to see more point of view content, we will certainly be glad to make them. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.